Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase application on your Android device. If you'd like to get the Coinbase application on your Android device so that you can securely buy, sell, transfer, or store cryptocurrency quicker and easier, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Playstore on your Android device first. In the search box that appears at the top, search for Coinbase. Once the application is displayed on the screen, tap on the install button in green right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device. Once it is done, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily and quickly download Coinbase application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.